Guys, we have a problem. Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday Barbie. So on my last poll, I asked you guys, what is your favorite content on my channel? We got 47 votes. Thanks so much for voting. 36% of you said your favorite was tutorials and how-tos. One of the least favorite was doll makeovers. That's interesting. Well, today I'm doing a doll makeover. You know, my first doll makeover was a doll that looks like me. I'm now going to be making dolls of all my family members. Yes, it's quite a project. But I'm willing to take on the challenge. Today, I'm gonna be starting with my younger sister, Lovely. I thought this would be a perfect doll to transform into my sister. So guys, I literally ruined her hair while I used the blow dryer to soften her head. The good news is we're cutting it off, but lesson learned. Don't use it on hot. I knew that, but I did it anyway, so yeah. Okay guys, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching today. Just kidding, I'm just kidding. Let's see if I've learned anything. I found my first doll makeover to be pretty stressful. I thought since this is my second time, I knew what I was doing a little bit better, it'd be a little easier. So for this doll, to make her look like my sister, I am rerooting her hair with brown hair. So I do have to paint her head brown. Well, I was wrong. It's even more stressful to make a doll that looks like someone else, because you want to make it look good. I'm gonna take a food break while I wait for this to dry. Got food. Her head is all dry. We are ready to reroot. I have my rerooting tool, and today I'm going to be using this chocolate brown hair. I bought my hair from Shimmerlocks this time. I'm super excited to try it out, and it looks like it's gonna work awesome. So as a lot of you know, my Everyday Adventures doll series is based around Barbie's family, Barbie, Skipper, Stacy, Chelsea, her parents, and Stacy is the sister that actually resembles my sister the most. And obviously, mostly personality-wise, Stacy doesn't have long brown hair. Guys, we have a problem. Her head broke. I'm just gonna let this dry and I'm just gonna work on another area of the head. I haven't the faintest idea why that happened. Anyways, as I was saying, my sister, like Stacy, is a very hard worker, ambitious, dedicated person. Whatever she's into, she's going to do it well. And believe me, she does. I have rerooted her whole head. All I have left is the part. Obviously, she needs hair there. In my doll series, all the sisters are best friends, and that is true in real life. My siblings are definitely my best friends. And now I just gotta glue all of her hair in there. That way it stays. I'm gonna let her dry overnight, and we'll be back. And we're back. I have to hot water her hair so that way it's not so poofy. I really don't want it to look like that. So I'm gonna see if I can get it to lay down flat. And then I also am trimming the ratty ends because it's kind of gross. But I don't want to trim too much because last time I think I made that mistake of making mine too short. Anyway, I'm gonna braid her hair now. I'm not sure what my camera's doing. I want to do these braids so that way her hair comes out more wavy. Just have a little bit more texture than just stick straight. So we'll see if this works. I'm not really sure if it will. Gonna hot water it a couple more times to really lock them in. Saran wrap her head and she's going in the freezer. Okay, she's going in the freezer. I will see you guys in a couple hours. I'm gonna let her hair dry first and then we'll take out the braids so they're really locked in. Okay guys, we are almost dry. I'm gonna call it good and I'm gonna take out these braids. I'm pleased. I have no complaints whatsoever. So I trimmed her hair a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put her on her body and see how it looks. After all this hard work, I'm anxious to see if it's looking right. And we're on. Right now, I'm not seeing my sister Lovely in her right now. The face needs a lot of work. I have to repaint the lips, repaint the eyes. New outfit, right? So we still have a lot of work to do, but I love how the hair came out. Lovely, I hope you love it too. Okay, so my second try now. I think I've got the right color. I'm just gonna give it another go. So this took me definitely a few tries to get right. I wanted to get the right color blue and make it as accurate as possible, and this is what I came up with. I'm gonna wait for those to completely dry, and I'm gonna mix up some paint to paint her lips. That is not the right color, so let's see what I can come up with. Well, big surprise, this isn't the right color either. This took me so many tries to get right. I don't know. I think she looks pretty, so I'm gonna leave it. And then, of course, to make her more accurate, I had to give her freckles. My sister has some freckles, so I just lightly dotted on some brown paint. For makeup, I have this really crusty blush, and I'm just gonna put some blush on her cheeks. Yep. So I added the blush. I really like how it shapes her face too. So Lovely, I hope you like this blush on her, and I add a little bit to her nose too. So I really like how that looks. I didn't want to go too heavy on it because I didn't want it to be like really like unnatural. Just kind of add some color to her face. I love the hair. I love the eyes. The lipstick, I'm warming up to it. So I wanted a darker, I don't know. The freckles, spot on. Like, she's so beautiful. The next thing I need to add is some earrings. I don't want to forget that. Now, because she already has holes that were in her ears, I'm using some earrings of mine because I want her to have little like rhinestone studs. So while I was trying to figure out a way to make earrings, I did make her a little ring, which I love, but I think I've decided on these little rhinestones. I'm just gonna glue them to her ears because I just want a rhinestone stud. Ta-da! I think we got it. Alrighty guys, we are done with her face, done with her hair. It is on to the last step, the clothes. Let's head to the dollhouse. So the first outfit that I want to try on her real quick is this two-piece set from looks number 3. Yes, my sister plays the violin, so this dress really does resemble some of the outfits that she wears for her performances. Doesn't she look so pretty here? I really love the look that this gives. Outfit number 2, we have a more casual look. I have a knit beige tank top and of course our flare jeans. I do want to give her an oversized denim jacket. I'm not quite sure how to make that, so I am going to repurpose this old jacket that I have. I actually really do like the print on it. I feel like it really matches the outfit and the look I'm going for. So we are just gonna put this on her. And then for shoes, I want to give her some black high top Converse. Unfortunately, I was already out of Barbie high tops, so I had to repaint some low top Converse, but just know that she prefers high tops. And then also to kind of finish it off, I want to give her this really cute purse. I feel like it really fits, so we're just gonna give that to her. And here is our second look, a more 90s just denim look. I really love the way her hair looks like with this outfit, and I feel it looks like my sister. Our final look is the most casual and laid back, and I think it might be my favorite, I don't know, but I put on these little denim shorts with a sweatshirt. I would have preferred a different color or a sweater at least, but this is as close as I got, and I do like the look that it gives. Of course, I got a pair of sunglasses that looks like a pair that she has, and we're using the black low tops right now, and that is our final outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me transform that Barbie fashionista doll into a doll that looks like my sister. And if you would like to see me transform my other family members, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see every single makeover and more. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!